All right, guys, today we're tuning this track day Corvette. Is a 2002 Vet with an LS3. It has a cam, headers, a little bit different cold air. It's got some sort of throttle body adapter on it. I'm not sure what throttle body would have been on it originally or what this one is for that matter, but I'll drive-by-wire stuff. But just pump gas, 93 octane deal. Like I said, it's a road race car deal, so just, cost kind of deal there. Not going to run a race fuel or anything. And the fuel system isn't set up for E85, so we're sticking this thing with 93 for now. But yeah, pretty basic setup. I'm going to dive into this and see what we can make for power. I made 408 horsepower, 414 foot-pounds of torque at the tire, at somewhere in the 470 flywheel area, which I believe these things out of the box were 430, somewhere in that flywheel number. But the cam isn't super aggressive. It's making peak power out at like 6,100 or so. But definitely a good-looking power curve there. A lot of meat in the middle, which is what you want for a road race car, coming off the corner horsepower there. So going to be a good runner, good performer for him. I guess he had good success with it in stock form, which was significantly less power than what we had now. I don't have a dyno sheet from that, unfortunately, but definitely a cool car. He just put a bunch of work into this, did the engine himself kind of deal. So going to get it back to him and work on the next project.